If your New Year's resolution is to lose weight, get healthier, increase your energy, or improve your mood, then you may have heard that the keto diet is worth checking out. And we agree. That's why we created the Keto Kickstart program, your 30-day step-by-step guide to starting keto the right way. We've spent years coaching people through the keto diet and have had huge success. Last year we released this program and over 73,000 people joined. This year we're offering 2 different programs, the free Keto Kickstart guide and the Keto Kickstart VIP. In the free version, you'll get step-by-step daily instructions, macro calculations and meal planning guide, shopping list, supplement guide, dining out and travel guide, progress tracking, workout program, and daily education videos. Everything you need to take the guesswork out of starting keto. In the Keto Kickstart VIP, you get all of this and the top keto products to help you get in and stay in ketosis. These products are doctor developed and hand-picked to make keto easy for you. You'll also get a 30-day personalized meal plan, access to weekly live Q&As where you can have all of your questions answered, and entry into our New Year's Transformation Challenge where you can win prizes for losing weight and getting healthier. Sign up by hitting the button below.